Okay guys, so next page, these ones are a little trickier and they involve working backwards. I know how much you love to work backwards. Whew, sorry, I'm a little out of breath. I just had to chase my dog around a little bit. It was fun. Whew. Okay, so let's choose eeny, meeny, miny. Let's do a harder one. Number 7, I think you can do that. Why don't we do one like trapezoids, like number 8 or 9? Which one? Number 9. Number 9. Let's do number 9. Okay. Got it. Got it. Here, let me go like this. Bada bang, bada boom. Okay. Ready? Okay. Okay. The area of trapezoid is 87 meters squared. The base is 13. The height is 4. Find the top. So if you want, we can draw a little sketch here. Now, this is not going to be necessarily isosceles, so we don't know really what it's going to look like. Doesn't really matter what we want to sketch that as, but I know the area here is 87. So like this whole area of my trapezoid is 87. Not right now, Miko. Hold on. I'm busy. And we know that the height is 4. So the height here is going to be 4. Let me get rid of some of these actually. It's in my way now. Sorry. It looked nice, but now it's in my way. So height is 4. The base is 13 meters long. I'm going to include the meters actually. And we don't know the other base of the top. So I'm going to call that base 1. 13 is my base 2. And the area of this whole thing is 87. Is that all we know? Yeah. Alright, so we need to know the formula for area of a trapezoid. Just did that, right? So area of a trapezoid is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. You can also write this as, some of you guys like to write it as B1 plus B2 times the height, all divided by 2. I like that one better for this problem, so I'm going to use that one. But they're the same thing. Okie doke. Okay, so let's plug in what we know. Excuse me? No, sir. It's my carpet. Demon child. Okay. So the area, no. I'm sorry. I apologize. The area is 87. One of the bases is 13. We don't know the other one. So let's say B1 plus 13 times the height is 4 and divide that by, 2, all over 2. Okay, so there's a couple ways we can do this. I'm going to start by getting rid of the fraction. Okay, so either you can simplify the 4 and the 2, or you can multiply by the denominator. Really doesn't matter. If we multiply both sides by 2, whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. That's going to cancel out the denominator, which is what I want. I don't want to have fractions when I'm solving. So that's going to give me 174 is equal to, let's move this down, B1 plus 13 and then times 4. So from there, you could distribute the 4, but it's going to be even easier if you divide both sides by 4. So if I do that, 174 divided by 4, let's go over here, is going to be 43.5. Then I'm left with base 1 plus 13. And then I'm going to subtract 13 from both sides. And then that's going to give me 30.5 for base 1. And that's it. That's a 30.5. And that's my answer. Right, Miko? You guys could see what he's doing. This is ridiculous. He's ridiculous. Okay. So for all of these on this page, you are working backwards. So the first thing that you should do is figure out what the formula is and write that down like I did here. Okay? And then maybe you can draw a picture if it helps you. And then you just plug in what you know and solve for what you don't know. Okay? So use your notes for 9-2 or actually this was 9-1, these formulas, and look through all of your formulas for area of triangle, area of parallelogram, trapezoids, rhombus, all that fun stuff. Okay? 13 and 14 were repeats of 7 and 8, so that's why they're crossed out. Okie dokie. And we are done with this video.